Actually, I'm waiting for this like the course.
Okay,
sorry, sir.
That's wonderful to hear from you that okay, you already started writing short stories. Very nice.
Yes,
and
okay,
this
sir.
course will definitely I am sure that okay, this course will definitely help you to improve your
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody else who would like
Thank
to
you, sir.
respond, like to share your views, like why did you join in this particular course? I want you to make use of this opportunity. Don't ever hesitate and don't ever worry about your grammar. Okay, feel free to communicate and to express your ideas freely whenever you have time. There are many other participants. I wanted to hear from you because there are I don't want okay, you to just feel bad after completion of, or maybe by the end of this semester, that why did I join in this particular course. So make sure that you know very well about okay, what exactly this course is all about. Good afternoon, sir. I'm trying to open on Zoom because of internet. I failed to attend. So I thought Google Meet is good for class. Okay, fine. I'll try. Fine. Yeah. Is there anybody else who would like to respond? Would you like to share your views on like why did you join in this particular course? Because I wanted to hear from you. Like in case if you really have some confusions, please do let me know.
Sir.
Yeah. If you don't want to say something,
hello, sir.
Yeah, please carry on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, speak.
Your voice is coming very low, sir.
My voice is coming very low.
Speak loudly, sir.
Okay, fine. Am I audible to you now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
minute.
sir.
1 minute. My voice. How about now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that sounds great. Wonderful. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Is there anybody who would like to share, okay, why did you join, okay, in this particular course? Like, I just want...
Sir, many students are not aware today's class.
Sorry, many students not aware of the today's
are
class?
Not aware. Today's class would be start
okay, by 12.
12.
Okay. Okay, I understood. That was the reason I shared.
Everyone knows 140.
Okay. I got it. Even I didn't.
Please do one message, sir.
I had already texted in a creative writing group, and that there will be a class from 12 to 1, because since I had already shared timetable and even syllabus on creative writing, I thought you were pretty much aware of okay, what exactly the timings are. So don't worry, and let them join, okay, from 140 to 240 class, and whoever not joined. And because I'm not going to teach much in this particular class. Yes, many of your friends and many of you have told me that like you are very much interested to improve your written communication. And even in yesterday's class also, we talked about okay, what is the brief introduction about. One of your friends is texting me. I don't know. Just give me a minute. Well, I think some of your friends are facing problems in joining on. Yeah, many of your friends and many of you have shared that okay, you are very much interested to improve your written communication. That was the reason. Rafi Nastar, you can just unmute your mic if you don't want to speak. Please do mute your mic. Tamkin. Yeah, please do mute your mic if you don't want to speak. In case if there is any query, just raise your hand. There is an option on Zoom to raise your hand so that you can clarify. On chat box, there is a emoji is there to raise your hand so that you can clarify all your doubts. I will unmute your mic so that you can speak to me. Otherwise, just mute your mics. Well, most of you are very much interested to improve your creative writing, and today I wanted to come up with some kind of activity, and I will be giving you some time to come up with some interesting story. So it doesn't matter, please, to the only thing which I wanted to look for is like how well you are going to perform. Okay, and it doesn't matter whether you make some grammatical errors, or maybe even if you are not very sure about your grammar, don't mind, like I never mind about that, but just give an attempt. Okay, I'll share one image. Well, yeah, please do have a look at this image. Have a look at this image. There are even some key terminology, key terms, or rather vocabulary, which will help you, how to go ahead with this story. So what I wanted you to do is, like, I will be giving you maybe 5 to 10 minutes of time, and have a look at that image and take a piece of paper and write, one or two paragraphs based on that image with the help of those vocabulary. Did you all understand what I said? There is an image, and I just want you to look at the image carefully and try to identify what are the animals. Most of them seem to be like a wild animals, and there is a zoo. And by looking at that image and with the help of these terms, I want you to write at least one or two paragraphs, and after writing the whole story, maybe one or two paragraphs, make sure that you will give a title. Okay, write 3 or 4 paragraphs about this picture. You can use the words given below. Write a title. See, please, it's very clear, and I just want you to look at the image carefully and try to identify all the animals. There are also, even for your understanding, crocodiles, tigers, and monkeys, and bear, birds, and snakes, and elephants, rabbits, and sea creatures, and restaurant. It is not necessary that you do find all those animals in that particular image, but try to recall your experience when you visited zoo, and when we go to zoo, what we usually see, or maybe what have you seen. So based on your experience, I just want you to write 3 to 4 paragraphs about this picture by using these words. After writing 2 to 3 paragraphs, whatever you can, and make sure that you will give a title for your story. Am I clear? Am I clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your time starts now. I will be giving you 10 minutes time. Make sure that minimum 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, make sure that you will write at least 2 to 3 paragraphs. And it is not necessary that, you do find all those animals in that particular image. Just try to recall, like maybe you must have been visited, zoo in your hometown, or maybe even in Hyderabad. So what was your experience? What have you seen? What were the animals which you saw when you visited zoo? So based on your experience, I just want you to write 1 or 2 paragraphs, or 3 to 4 paragraphs maximum. After writing 3 to 4 paragraphs, make sure that you will give a title for that, suitable title. It is not necessary that, your story has to match with other students. You can come up with, okay, your own creative ideas, and you can come up with a creative title. Don't compare with anybody, because each one of us is a unique. Okay, so you don't need to compare with anybody. And I also request you to not to worry about, okay, your grammar, but be careful, like try to make meaningful sentences. And even if you make error also, I never mind, because since it is your first class in writing, and don't worry about your grammatical errors, but just share your experience after writing at least 1 or 2 paragraphs. If you are not able to write 3 to 4 paragraphs, at least write small paragraph, and based on this particular image, or based on your experience when you visited zoo. Your time starts now. If you have any queries, you can ask me, I will clarify them. Raise your hand, I will unmute your mic, or maybe if you have any queries, you just let me know. I'll clarify all your doubts. I hope all my instructions are very clear. You don't need to copy from anywhere. Just, okay, based on your experience, you just, okay, start writing 1 or 2 paragraphs. If you are able to write 3 to 4 paragraphs, that would be so nice. And if you are not able to write, okay, 3 to 4 paragraphs, write at least one small paragraph based on this particular image. I don't want you to restrict only to this particular image. You can also recall the experience when you visited zoo. And these are all some clues, okay, which will help you to write a beautiful story about zoo. Make sure that you will come up with a beautiful title also. Very interesting title rather. Once if you are done with, you just raise your hand. I will listen to your story. Don't worry about your mistakes, and don't worry about your grammar, and don't even worry about your vocabulary, because we learn from our mistakes. It's not necessary that, okay, you to become a perfection, or maybe we cannot even become perfectionist within a day. It will take time. It will need even a constant practice. Just give an attempt. Yes. Wow. I didn't even see your chat boxes, and they seem to be very interesting. Loudspeaker. Okay. I joined this course because I heard that the pen is mightier than sword. Wow, that was a wonderful quote from Zaman. Excellent. Soni Parveen. Elephant is on the biggest land animal found on earth, and it is a wild animal, but after giving training, it becomes a useful animal for a man. It is a huge animal and its color is gray. All the four legs of an elephant are as huge thick pillars of huge building, and it has two big ears and which go on moving to and fro like a big fan. Its eyes are small. It has a short tail, but its trunk is too long. It's a wonderful thing. It can pick up even a small needle with its help. The elephant has long white tusks. The elephant is perhaps the strongest animal in the world. It's very costly too. Wow, that was a beautiful creative story from Soni Parveen. Wonderful. Excellent. But why did you, there are two more participants want to join. Soni Parveen, can I speak to you for a while?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, let me attempt Zaman's, yes, Zaman. 1 minute, Parveen. I will answer you. Zaman has some doubt. Zaman, you can unmute yourself and speak to me. You raised your hand. Farhin Sultana, please do mute your mic. Yes. Okay, Soni. Can I speak to Soni?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Soni,
Yeah.
that was a beautiful creative story. I really loved it. You did fantastic job. And though you wrote 2 paragraphs, it was so nice. But one thing I wanted to ask you about your story is like, why didn't you put any title for that? That is the reason you have to listen to my instructions clearly. You forgot to give a title. And apart from that,
Sir, I forgot give a title.
no problem, no problem. I'm apart from that, did I ask you to speak about only elephant?
Yeah.
Did I ask you to write about only elephant?
No.
Why did you concentrate only on elephant? Why didn't you speak about even other animals? Because the image has covered too many wild animals rather. And even I also told you that, okay, not to restrict your creative ideas to only that particular image, okay? There is no doubt you beautifully explained what exactly the elephant is all about. The way you wrote it, about, okay, elephant, it was so nice. I really impressed.
Actually, sir, after few days,
Okay.
some incident in Kerala about elephant.
Yes. Yeah, I know.
Right.
So you focused only on elephant.
Yeah, sir.
Did you meet my objectives then? Did you meet my objectives?
What?
Did you meet my expectations?
No, sir, no.
No, it's fine. Okay. As I already told you that I'm really impressed with your story. And though you concentrated on only on elephant, you wrote really nice. And there were 1 or 2 mistakes, but it's fine. Okay. As I already told you that, okay, we learn from our mistakes and beautifully explained and beautifully talked about, okay, what exactly the elephant is all about. But the only thing is you forgot to give a title. And apart from that, okay, I was expecting you to speak about, okay, all the animals which have been mentioned on image. And these 2 things you could not cover in your maybe passages or maybe even a short story. Very well done, Soni Parveen. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very nice. Can I read even some more stories? Anybody else who would like to share if you are already done with? Zaman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tamkin Begum, if you are not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you read your story or maybe your
Sir,
paragraph?
my title.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. My title is Nallamalla Forest, sir. Nallamalla Forest title.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah. When I landed, every time in my forest area, I just really enjoyed
Okay.
because I am from Nallamalla Forest area, Srishalam side. There was a many animals in forest area. Many times I see the deer and snakes and many more animals. I wish I see the tiger in live. In my okay, this is another paragraph. In my village, 2 or 3 small zoo also, and I many times visited the zoo. There was many birds, animals, monkeys, crocodile, deer, and many more.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was
Okay, sir.
that
There
was
was I am writing to it.
okay. That was really a wonderful story. It was
Thank you, sir.
it was very beautiful that okay, instead of talking about okay Jew, you started talking about okay your own based on your own experience, and which is very
Yes, sir.
which is very close to your hometown, and
Yes, sir.
and the good thing about you is like you came up with a title for your story, and even you also come up with very creative ideas. And apart from that,
Thank you, sir.
it's not that okay you have just covered only one animal, and you talked about birds and you talked about animals. Okay,
Yes.
that was the really beauty of your short story. Very well done.
Thank you, sir.
But the only suggestion which I have, there was a few grammatical errors, like when you were talking about okay birds, you said that okay there was many birds. When you talk about more than one bird, make sure that okay you say that there were many birds. Okay, so those
Okay, sir.
subject verb agreement. Okay, and
Yes, sir. Sure.
I'll rectify all those mistakes. Don't worry. It was
Okay,
beautifully
sir.
done. Beautifully done. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You can mute your mic. Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Mozam here, sir.
Yeah, Mozam. Come on.
Sir, my story's title, Exciting Journey.
Exciting journey. Wow, that's wonderful.
I remember when I visited the zoo first time in my
Okay.
life,
Okay.
but when we recall that moment, still I am over the moon.
Okay.
First visiting in my life, when I lived in Varanasi, one day my friends decided to go to zoo to explore that.
Okay.
After reaching there, at first we all went towards zoo, and we were very enjoying there. I saw a big elephant and lion, tiger, bears. I was very keen to see the tiger, and
Okay.
that my first exploring about zoo. That's my
Okay.
story.
That was an outstanding story. Very well done. And again, you came up with okay based on your experience. Okay, how you enjoyed along with your friends by looking at okay different by seeing even a different animals, and that was a beautiful experience. Okay, which you wrote in very small though you wrote in one paragraph, but you tried to convey all your ideas, and very nice. Keep it up. And the beauty
Okay, sir.
about
Thank you.
the beauty about your short story is I really loved your pronunciation. You've been very cautious about your pronunciation, and clarity is there, and keep it up. Okay, well done.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I have a suggestion for you that okay make sure that okay you be very careful about this is one of the common problems with most of our Indian students. Okay, like
Yeah.
they don't bother about okay this subject verb agreement, like when we talk about okay first person or second person or third person, like what could be the verb agreement and all these things I want you to take care of. But don't worry, we'll talk about all these things okay in coming
Okay, sir.
classes. And the only thing is I just want you to give an attempt, and you beautifully done. Very well done. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Can you just mute your mic? Yeah, Muhammad Nadeem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Nadir is there. Anybody can.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm late because to class.
Okay, don't worry.
Time.
Rafi Nastar.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rafi.
Yes, sir. My paragraph title is one day I visited to a small zoo.
Okay, great.
Sir. One day I visited a small zoo where different types of animals are
Okay.
such as lions, tigers, monkeys, elephants, etc. Lion is a king of all animals. He is a dangerous animal, so mankind are feel fear. An elephant is called a minister of forest. He is used animals and also strong. He is used as traveling.
Okay.
And monkey is a very clever animal. He is very active. He has a long tail. When we go to the zoo, then there are many other things such as restaurants and extra.
Over. Nishar, your voice is not audible. Nastar, Rafi. Yeah, your voice.
Sir,
Yeah, there was a disturbance in your voice.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Complete.
can I repeat this paragraph, sir?
Have you done with your reading your paragraph?
Yes.
Yeah, just you. If you have a small paragraph, you can read it.
Some sentences are remaining, sir.
Okay, please, please.
Yes, sir. When we go to the zoo, there are many other things such as restaurants. When we and snakes and very dangerous. Snake is very dangerous for mankind.
Okay.
This is my paragraph, sir. Short paragraph.
Yeah, you did very well. Like, yeah, though there was some disturbance in our paragraphs or maybe short story about, okay, the zoo, like what I could sense that, okay, you wrote, you have covered almost all the animals and you wrote really nice. And even your, most of the sentences are grammatically accepted. You did very well, Rafi. And the only problem was, okay, I was not able to hear you very clearly since there was some disturbance, okay? Well done. And
Sir,
no
there are
doubt,
no problem, sir.
no doubt, no doubt. That's not a problem. You can even just, okay, share your story on WhatsApp. I'll go through your story and just take a screenshot or maybe take a okay snap of it and send me on WhatsApp. I'll go through it and I'll give you feedback. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Could you please mute your mic? Yeah. Let me give a
Can
chance.
you
Yeah, let me give a chance to Zaman. Zaman, roll number 32. He wrote a beautiful story. I could even read the whole story, but I wanted to hear from him. Zaman. Zaman, roll number 32.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Zaman. You wrote a
Yes,
beautiful.
sir.
Yeah, you wrote a beautiful story, but I wanted to hear from you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, can you just
My
read your-
title is
Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
My title is My First Visit to the Zoo. It was a nice and shiny day when we decided, while eating in a restaurant, to visit to the nearest zoo from the restaurant. In the zoo, we experienced a wonderful and exciting view. We saw a lot of animals like crocodiles, tigers, monkeys, bears, birds, snakes, etc. We came back from the zoo with a great knowledge about sea creatures. We all were very happy.
That was a wonderful story. Indeed, one of the best stories for today's class. Okay. And the reason why I'm telling you that, okay, yours is one of the best story. Title is very interesting, and the kind of paragraphs, okay, you framed, okay, they were very meaningful and very well organized. The selection of vocabulary is really nice, and apart from that, I really loved with your grammar. There was no even a single grammatical error in your story, and you wrote beautifully. Okay, Zaman.
Thanks, sir.
Very well
Thank
done.
you, sir.
Very well done. Though you wrote, okay, small 2 paragraphs, and it was very meaningful and very well organized, and the content was very good. title was very attractive. Keep it up. Wonderful job.
Okay, sir.
But I only have a doubt about, okay, how could you see sea creatures in zoo? Okay, like
Yes, sir.
crocodiles
Just
and
I just
crocodiles.
want. Yes.
Okay, fine. Crocodiles
Yes, sir.
and fish,
Just
different varieties.
I want to use the word sea creatures.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Because when you go to, when you
Yes.
visit a zoo, we usually find, okay, some kind of aquarium where we see all the fish, different varieties of fish. And we also
Yes.
see even
Yes.
a tortoise, and we also see even crocodiles. Okay, in that sense, you've made use of it. That was an
Yes.
outstanding story, and your grammar is superb, and the selection of vocabulary was really nice, and title is beautiful. Okay, you did a wonderful job. Keep it up.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can you just mute? Do we have any other
Yes, sir.
participants? Yeah, any other students who would like to share? Sir, please accept. Nadeem, accept. Yeah, I request. I accepted them. Yeah, there are. Yeah. Yes, somebody wanted to say something. Yeah, Abbas, Gulham Abbas. I'll give a chance. Zaman, could you please lower your hand? I have been seeing you. Okay, your hand is raised. I'm really confused with that.
Yes,
Yeah, you have a doubt?
I tried to lower, but
Okay,
I
no
can't.
problem. No problem. I'll do it. Okay, I'll do
Yes,
that. I'll do that for you.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Abbas or Tana Sultana. We have two more candidates who would like to share. Gulham Abbas, can you hear me? Otherwise, Tana Sultana, you can take a chance.
Say, could I explain my story?
Yeah, very good afternoon. You please carry, and I'm waiting for you. And apart from that, okay, even there are many of your friends are waiting to listen to you. Yeah, please carry on.
Yes, my story name is Zoo, and
Okay.
the story is one day during my school picnic, we goes to a zoo and we saw different types of animal, and that animals which we seen such as like monkeys which playing with two other monkeys, and many types of birds which are in different colors, and some 3 or 4 bears and a little bear which one sit another beside the another bear. We saw
Yep.
different types of big snakes and very bigger or older elephants, and then we saw white cute rabbits, and then after exploring the zoo we go a restaurant and enjoying our lunch.
Okay. That was a wonderful story, Sultana, and you beautifully done. Do you mind if I call you Sultana or Tanas?
It's your wish, sir.
Okay, fine then. Whatever the name which I feel comfort, I'll call you. Yeah, that was a wonderful story.
Yes, sir.
I'm really impressed with your story. And the only suggestion which I have
Thank
for your
you, sir.
story, you have followed all the instructions, whatever I said, and you came up with a nice title.
Yes, sir.
And you also came up with 2 or 3 paragraphs, and you have covered almost all the points what I was expecting you to do, and you did a fantastic job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The only
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I have few suggestions for you.
Yeah.
You are gifted with a beautiful voice, and really
Thank you.
Yeah, it has a clarity, but do it very slowly. Read when you got an opportunity to read the story, like just okay. I want you to reduce speed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't be in hurry that okay somebody is okay asking you okay to do it fast. Okay, you don't need to be in hurry, and while reading, read it slowly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And another suggestion I have, just take care of your grammar. Like, yeah, when you were talking about, okay, one day, and you said that, okay, we goes or I goes to zoo. Okay, when you are talking about your past experience, make sure that, okay, we went to zoo. Okay, so it's
Okay,
not
sir.
only just that. Okay, there are even some repeated sentences are there, rather repeated words are there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, if you could avoid, okay, these silly mistakes, you could your writing will be beautiful. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Abbas, I'm
Thank
waiting
you,
for
sir.
you. Yeah, can you just mute your mic? Gulham Abbas. Abbas, you have been raising your hand. I don't know why. Why do you keep silent? Fine then. If you don't want to speak, okay, in front of your friends, please make sure that don't ever feel shy. The beauty of language, if you are really wish to improve your language and communication skills, and I want you to grab an opportunity. Nobody will ask you, because there are many participants. I cannot give an each individual to speak. Okay, it's your responsibility to take a chance and to communicate, to express your ideas. But my sincere suggestion for all the students, don't ever worry about your mistakes. Okay, because it's not your mother tongue, it is somebody else's tongue. So once if you start worrying about your grammatical mistakes, once if you start worrying about your selection of vocabulary, though you know very well, and you can't come forward and to speak. Okay, so it doesn't matter you whether you make mistakes, or maybe even if you make blunder also, I'm ready to take them and I'm ready to accept them. But I would be very happy if you come forward and to speak and to share your ideas. So I'm really impressed with most of the students today, and they came up with a very beautiful and creative ideas. And I'm also impressed with your creative writing. You beautifully done today, and I want you to maintain the same tempo in all the classes, because this is a creative writing, and there will be a lot of activities, and you need to take a chance and you need to participate very actively in each and every class, because it's very difficult for me to identify, okay, who is not speaking and who is so it's your responsibility being an individual. Like you need to take a chance, like, because since we are living in a 21st century, like, which is more competitive world, and make sure that you will give an attempt. Don't wait for okay, somebody to ask you. Okay, you just raise your hand and take a chance, and don't worry about your mistakes. That is what I wanted to say. And I congratulate all the students who actively participated in today's class. And I'm also really impressed and moved with your creative writing ideas. And one of the best stories, okay, I wanted to say that, okay, Zaman. And the reason why I'm saying that, okay, Zaman's is the best story, I was really impressed with, okay, the title, and I was also impressed with, okay, his language, selection of vocabulary. There was no even a single grammatical error, and he was very he had organized very well each and every paragraph, and there was a connection, and there were linkers. Okay, linkers means, okay, the linkers, the words which connects the two sentences, the three sentences. So in his writing, I was able to find, okay, the standard and even a quality of the language. So, and it doesn't mean that, okay, others did not do well. They also did a fantastic job, and the only thing is they made, okay, one or two grammatical errors. Otherwise, all of you did a wonderful job. Okay, if you have any questions and queries, Mubina Nazir, do you have any question? If you don't have any query, I request you to mute your mic. Mubina Nazir. Yeah, if you have any questions and queries, you please do let me know. Otherwise, we'll stop here. Mubina Nazir, do you have any question? I want you to respond. If you are not comfortable with even in English, You can, but I don't allow like most of the time. Maybe once in a while, okay, you can communicate or you can express your ideas in Urdu, but not all the time, because the primary objective behind introducing this particular course is to improve your written communication, to improve your creative writing in English, but not in Urdu. Okay. Mubina, am I audible to you? You are not at all responding to me. Fine. If you don't have any questions and queries, I will leave the meeting. Do you have any
Sir,
questions?
please share new syllabus of creative writing.
Yes, I'll do that. Okay. I haven't got approval from HOD, and I have been waiting for his response. And once if I receive, okay, mail from him, I will definitely share with you people. Don't worry about it. Okay. Yeah, Nadir, do you want to say something?
Sir,
Abbas,
sir, I'm late.
Hello, sir.
please do mute your mics. Yeah. Abbas.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Abbas.
Sir, Israr.
Okay. Isra, tell me.
Sir, when today class was started?
The class was started at 12 o'clock. And every Tuesday we will be having from 12 to 1. Don't worry. Okay. If you're, I'm going to
So,
upload this.
sir, it means.
Yeah.
So, sir, it means I missed today class.
Don't worry. I'm going to upload this video on YouTube, and I will also share this link with you people, and you can go through it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Abbas, do you have any question? Abbas, okay, I think he has. Mubina, okay, fine. Take care, stay safe, and see you at 1:40 then.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon and take care.